This is MATHguide.com. My name is Mark Karadimos. Today we're going to talk about the volume of a cone. So we have a cone here, and the cone has dimensions that are important for calculating volume, and this is usually the information that's given when you have to do a problem. You have to be provided some details, like for instance height is a crucial dimension, and for the purposes of this problem we're going to say that our height is 60 millimeters. Also we have a radius, another crucial dimension, is 50 millimeters. Alright, so now that we have our given information, we've got a diagram. As a matter of fact, I can even put in those units. There's 60 millimeters, and then here for our radius we got 50 millimeters. So how do we calculate the volume? Well, the volume is a simple formula. It is area of the base times the height divided by 3. So that's why it's capital. It's not just a unit, it's actually an area. Alright, so let's tackle this area of the base. So you'll probably recognize the area of the base as being a circle. So let's calculate that. So the formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. So we're going to use pi times our radius, and we're going to square it. So let's see, if I multiply 50 times 50, that's 2,500, and millimeters times millimeters is millimeters squared. So I'm going to get 2,500 pi millimeters squared. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's just the area of the bottom. Alright, so next what we're going to do is move towards the volume. So if we're going to calculate the volume, we'll take our area of the base, 2,500 pi millimeters squared, and we're going to multiply that by the height. We know the height is 60 millimeters, and of course it says that we've got to divide that all by 3. Alright, so a little bit of cleanup here. So instead of multiplying, I'm going to divide. I'm going to take 3 into 60, it goes in there 20 times. So I have my 2,500 pi millimeters squared. I know it's kind of cumbersome to have the units sitting around, but it's kind of important to see what happens with those units. So I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 20 times 2,500 pi. See, 2 times that would be 5,000 times 0, it's 50,000 pi. I got millimeters times, millimeters squared times millimeters. That's going to be millimeters cubed. Okay, so this is what the exact answer looks like, and we also say that this is in terms of pi, because I have pi in the answer. Now sometimes people like our answer as a decimal answer, not with pi in it. Math people like it like this, and science people or non-math people like to punch in that value. Okay, so you got 50,000. Let's put in the approximation for pi. So if we throw this into a calculator, which I did earlier, you're going to get about 157,000 cubic millimeters. It's a lot of millimeters there, a lot of cubic millimeters. So that is our answer, about 157,000. So this is how you calculate the volume of a cone. It does not require the slant height like surface area does. And this formula for the volume of a cone is the same formula for a pyramid. Anything that comes to a point like that. So of course the only thing different would be how you calculate the area of the base. For a cone it's a circle. So make sure you go back to MATHguide.com and check out all our other instructional videos, interactive quizzes, and text-based lessons. Take care.